What is passive daily pay? The phrase passive daily pay is a marketing term used to describe earning money online through methods that require minimal daily effort after an initial setup period. In theory, you create a system or asset that generates income without requiring your constant attention. How realistic is it? While the idea is alluring, it's important to understand that passive daily pay often requires significant upfront work and ongoing maintenance to achieve consistent income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that involves building assets that can generate income over time. While passive daily pay might be a bit of a marketing buzzword, the underlying concept of building passive income streams is very real and achievable. With the right approach and dedication, you can create a sustainable income source that allows you to earn while you sleep, travel, or focus on other priorities in your life. Please like and subscribe for more information.